These are our boarding pass, luggage tag, and our travel insurance or cruise insurance certificate. That's our ship. It's called Azura. Yes, that's us. That's us. Now let's open the door.
Are you getting the cards? Support cards there, yeah?
Put the light on. Yes, that's it.
Oh, there's a good story here. Very small.
Take the belt, pass it around your waist,
Oh,
and
that's a
connect the
balcony
buckle until
cabin.
it clicks. Pull on the loose end of the belt to tighten it and tuck the strap into the belt.
What?
Child and infant life jackets are put on in a similar way. Make sure it's suitable for their weight by
Mommy.
checking the limit shown on the jacket.
Mommy!
If it's not or you're unsure,
Exactly.
tell your cabin steward and they'll give you the correct size. In an emergency, you'll hear the general emergency signal.
That's a balcony.
I can believe that's the DUI schools.
We got the nice view here.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna get the sunset and everything.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll get a sunset here, yeah? Yeah. That's good.
Mama, just first look at the size of the bed.
The room is big, like, isn't
Mama,
it?
look at the size of the bed.
Yeah, it's good.
It's the toilet and bathroom. So that's a shower room.
I can just see the So, I just get
A little bit of smaller side. That's
If you can't reach your cabin, go straight to your
and that's all. There's a safe there.
Doesn't it look like, oh, feels like a hotel
It's a
room?
hangers.
I'm just the bathroom. Tell me.
It's big as a hotel room.
And the bunk bed will drop down from here.
Why is the shower so small?
We
Do
have
they?
leisure facilities including
Do they look at the shower?
Every morning you get this, you think horizon. It tells you about different things happening on the ship to activate piano cruise, test Wi-Fi. Let's just set up for breakfast. What is this? Manhattan Bar. This is a coral pool, beautifully decorated. Look at the lights and everything. Looking. This is aqua pool at night. You'll have a big screen, open air screen, and they show different pictures and stuff. During the day, it's very busy. At night, it's not that much so. So Aquapool has a 2 hot tub, or so what a view of, look at the view. Oh my gosh. So this is Planet Bar. So this is deck 19. It's basically sports deck. Famous China's Love Santa Cruz. It's called Pesados Auditorio. Tonight is a black tie night, celebration night. So you have to dress if you want to visit a specialty restaurant. So that's me ready for celebration night. So we're heading down to the atrium. It's a celebration night. And Mr. Captain will be here very shortly.
To the atrium for the Captain's Gallery set to welcome the Master of Azura, Captain Neil Turnbull.
So first and foremost, a very warm welcome on board. I trust you've had a delightful day. And it keeps giving. I've been on the internet all day today, just for you. I'll give you anything. What I found out, just for you. Oh, if your expectations are up there, drop it. Just for you today, that the returns policy at TK Maxx is 28 days. So, got fit at the end of the cruise, just take them back.
Starter on the celebration night. So that's our main meal, main course. That's our dessert. Yeah. What do you got there?
They were an absolute pain.
In my house, somebody here that I can't see, a stranger in my house.
This is our ship, O Azura. Ultimate size. Now we are at the Funchal cable car. Ticket is £20 for adult, and you can book your ticket this way. You can book it online, or you can book it in person. It costs exactly the same. There's no change in prices online or booking at the counter. But the boarding line is quite big, as you can see. It's starting right across. There you go. system. These are the cable car arriving. So that's us. We are at the top of the Monte Palace, Madeira. There's another car. This is the famous cathedral of Funchal. We're looking at the beautiful view of Funchal Port in Madeira. It's pretty. It's pretty. That's a little bit of drizzle. This is the second celebration night on O Azura. So we haven't booked any specialty dining. I just decided to go for the buffet wise. I will highly recommend Azura buffet for lunch or dinner. You got lots of variety of food. Prima del Mar Aquarium. That's us. We are going into the aquarium.
Today's menu is chicken biryani, rice, chicken curry, beef curry, dal makhani, potato, vegetable curry, papadam, bhaji and samosas, and gulab jamun, gajar ka halwa.
What a beautiful scenery. This is the envelope that nobody wants to see. To tag your flight hold baggage. You get your what is this? Your bag tag, handbag tag, and then you get your boarding passes and your business. So today is our disembarkation day. That's our end of holiday. We have to make it our room by 8 o'clock in the morning. And basically our bags are away last night. That's our coach waiting.
Daddy, don't throw the card.
Okay. What are you going to do with the card?
Can it first tonight?
That's our coach. Take care. Bye. That's our aeroplane. And we are going home.